Good day everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you what a percentile is. A percentile is a measure used in statistics indicating a number where a certain percentage of scores fall below that number. We can analyze a large data more easily and effectively when we divide the data into small parts, which is known as percentile. A percentage is a value that divides a set of data into 100 equal parts, and it's represented by P1, P2, P3, and so on. Why is percentile useful? Let's say you have taken a test and you score 57 out of 80. You might think you did well, but you don't know is that the test is easy. In fact, most of the people score around 60 or 70 out of 80. 57 actually isn't that good. So, score result really don't have any meaning unless you know what your percentage you fall into. Percentile helps the students compare their performance to that of other students. Let's say we know 57 is equal to the 30 percentile. That means your score was better than 30% of the people who took the test, and 70% of people did better on the test than you did. See, your score is 57 out of 80, which you might thought it was a good score in the beginning. It's actually a pretty low score at the 30 percentile. How to calculate percentile? We see it in an example. The ogive on the right shows the score of an aptitude test obtained from candidates who are applying for a post in a company. Based on the ogive, find the 10 percentile. That is 10% of the total frequency. 10 over 100 times 50. We have 5 candidates. From the graph, draw a horizontal line from the axis of cumulative frequency at 5 until it intersects the ogive. Then continue to draw the vertical line down until it meets the horizontal axis with the score of 43.5. Therefore, the 10 percentile is 43.5. Next, the 42nd percentile. That is 42% of the total frequency. 42 over 100 times 50, we have 21 candidates. From the graph, draw a horizontal line from the axis of cumulative frequency at 21 until it intersects the ogive, then continue to draw the vertical line down until it meets the horizontal axis with the score of 59.5. Therefore, the 42nd percentile is 59.5. B. Only those candidates who obtains 90 percentile and above will be called for an interview. What is the minimum score required in order to be called for an interview? 90 percentile, that is 90% of the total frequency. 90 over 100 times 50, we have 45 candidates. From the graph, draw a horizontal line from the axis of cumulative frequency at 45 until it intersects the ogive, then continue to draw the vertical line down until it meets the horizontal axis with the score of 75.5. Therefore, only candidate with a minimum score of 75.5 will be called for an interview. C. What is the percentage of the candidate who obtain a score of 58 and below? We can find the numbers of candidates who obtain a score of 58 and below from the graph. Draw a vertical line from the horizontal axis at 58 until it intersects the ogive, then continue to draw the horizontal line to the left until it meets the vertical axis. The number of candidates are 20. The percentage of the 20 candidates is 20 divided by 50 times 100%. That is 40%. Therefore, 40% of the candidates obtain a score of 58 and below. If we know how to calculate the percentile, a percentile can give you an idea of how well you might want to do on a particular test. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.